Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the secret Photo Vault Keepsafe app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Keepsafe is a privacy-focused photo vault app designed to help users securely hide and protect their personal photos and videos. It uses pins, patterns, and biometric locks to keep content private, along with encrypted backup options for extra safety. The app is available on both iOS and Android and is widely used for securing sensitive media. The app's main feature is its private vault, where users can import photos and videos from their device gallery and lock them behind secure authentication. Keepsafe also offers features like break-in alerts, fake PIN protection, secure photo sharing, and encrypted cloud backup to restore files if the device is lost or changed. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its strong privacy protection, simple interface, and reliable backup options. The ability to hide and unhide photos quickly makes it convenient, and the added security features give users peace of mind. However, there are some drawbacks. Many of the advanced features, such as unlimited storage or cloud backup, require a subscription. Some users report occasional glitches with syncing or restoring files. The free version has limitations, and long-term storage depends heavily on cloud subscriptions. In summary, the Keepsafe app may be worth using if you want a secure, easy-to-use way to hide private photos and videos, with strong backup and privacy tools. However, if you're not comfortable relying on cloud storage or paying for premium features, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.